Hello folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Home Experts. Just wanted to go ahead and take time out and give you the insight of what your slab leak detection and slab leak repair options here in the Calabasas area. We arrived at this particular Calabasas home, and what we discovered was that our customer Joan here has had multiple leaks, and one of the first options that she opted for was a direct access. What do I mean by that? Well, if you've got a slab leak and the professional leak detection company was able to pinpoint where that leak is underneath your slab, a direct access repair would be to dig down to that specific location and just replace that. All right, folks, so here I am with Joan, our customer here in Calabasas, and she'd like to take a moment and give her experience on the first option that she opted for when it came to a slab leak repair, which was a direct access, right, Joan? So
yes.
You had a leak. They identified that it was right here in your closet, so you picked up the phone, called a local professional, like company was Pasture Plumbing.
Right.
They came out. What was your experience with that?
Well, I felt it was very expensive. I was ready to go on a trip to Europe, so I didn't have a lot of time, but it's always best to get a lot more, have more people come and some more plumbing, get more people to...
Get more estimates?
More estimates.
Right. Now, it looks like you spent...
$4,500, $4,800?
You spent about $4,800. So this particular company, and again, I'm not bad-mouthing this company at all. It's their pricing, and I respect that. But they charged $4,800 to come into a 2-foot by 2-foot area and replace a small section. Now, that is definitely an option for you in a home, especially if you're not going to live in the home for a while. If your flooring doesn't require a full replacement, then a direct access makes sense. Typically, a direct access cost should be around $1,500 to $2,500, including the concrete patching, okay? That's what we charge here at the Twin Home Experts for a direct access. Now, you had another leak, I think several months later. That's when
Right.
You called us.
Yes.
And for a few $1,000s more, we were able to repipe the entire home with our lifetime warranty product, which is our Uponor PEX product.
Right.
How long did that take?
To repipe
To
the house?
repipe the
Maybe
house.
a couple of days?
A couple of days, okay?
At the most.
And you had 2 bathrooms, a half bath, a water heater, and a laundry. So you're going to be at around $5,000 to $8,000 to $10,000, depending on the accessibility, how many fixtures you have. That really determines the cost on a repipe. But that would be your second option, or would be to repipe the entire home. Now the third option, when it comes to a slab leak repair option, would be just to do simply a reroute. What do I mean by that? Well, for instance, Joan, if your plumber that located the leak here in your closet would have identified where this pipe leads to from point A to point B, it could have been an option to actually reroute, meaning delete the line that's underground and put the money into a reroute, which we'd find another point to connect to and run a direct pipe to the particular fixture that the pipe that's leaking underground feeds to. It's a little complicated, but again, it's much better than putting your money into a direct access. Now, a reroute typically will range anywhere from about $3,200 to $4,200, depending on, again, the accessibility, how much pipe you have to run, attic space. All of that determines the cost of a reroute. But anyhow, any other feedback that you want to help a homeowner here in Calabasas in regards to a slab leak?
I would just get more estimates to make sure that you're getting a fair price, because I'm pretty sure I was overcharged, and I was glad that I had my house repiped. Now I have peace of mind that I won't be having a lot of problems in the future, since I intend to live here for a long time.
That's a good point, Joan. And again, I like to take a moment too, and really, it does make a big difference if you get 3 estimates on this particular type of work, because it can range from $2,000 all the way up to $5,000 just for a direct access. So if she would have gotten several estimates, she probably could have saved thousands of dollars. Anyhow, folks, just want to go ahead and say thanks for watching. As always, bye-bye.